everybody? It's your boy RJ. Back on my bike again. So I haven't been riding in a while. I had just came back from Vegas for my birthday. On Monday, it's Friday now, so, and I don't think I rode my bike even before that. It was like, so my bike's been sitting for like 3 weeks, and when I went to ride it today, it didn't freaking start because I haven't been starting it or riding it, like I said, for a few weeks. So I had to give it a jump, and now my engine light is on. So I don't know what that's about. I don't know if that's because of the battery or whatever the case might be, but yeah, try to figure that out. So I'm hoping it's good, but I'm gonna ride it to the beach today and see how it acts. I hope it stays. I hope it starts back up when I hop on it, because I don't have my jumping cables with me, so I'll end up having to call AAA or something, which is not a problem. I have AAA, but I'd rather not go through that. And I had just changed my back tire before I left because the freaking threads were showing, and yeah, wasn't good to keep riding on that, so I changed my tire by myself, by the way. Well, I took it to the shop and they changed it. I took it off and put it on, which it wasn't that hard, but it was kind of hard to do by yourself because you gotta, hold the brake out the way and all that stuff. So that was pretty difficult, but I got it done. And then the brake caliper kept coming off, like kept popping off, so I had to keep like redoing it, and it was stressing me out to put that little brake caliper back in the no, it's not a brake caliper, the brake pad, to put the little brake pad back in the thing. So, but no, I got it done. It just took me longer than what it should have took me, but I think if I would have had help, I would have got it done a lot faster. But I did it by myself. I mean, my girl came and helped me the first time, but I ended up not doing something right, so I had to take it back off because my tire was not aligned straight, so I had to take it off and do everything over again. So yeah, this street should take me all the way through to PCH. So I'm taking it easy. Like I said, I have a new freaking tire. I'm not trying to lose no freaking grip or anything, so I'm not doing nothing crazy today. And it was oh, look at this view. Sorry if I stop talking, I'm trying to concentrate, because I got this new freaking tire. But this view is amazing. Look at that. But yeah, I forgot what I was talking about. I done got distracted by the view. Looks way better in daytime. At nighttime, you see all the lights and stuff, but now you can really like see everything in the daytime. So yeah, I get to take in all this beautiful Cali weather and scenery. Cruising down Topanga Canyon. Normally, I'll be complaining about these cars going so slow, but the way my new tire is set up, and you know, I'm not no expert rider or nothing, so I'm not out here doing nothing crazy. But usually I would try to go around them. If I had, like, you know, a tire that was broken, I probably would. It's a little more stickier. I can stick to the road a little better. But I don't really trust this tire too much yet. So I'ma chill behind these cars and just cruise, enjoy the scenery, talk to you guys, my YouTube buddies. Alright guys, we made it to PCH. As y'all can see, look at the water and all the bikes out here. I'm kidding, this lane ain't bad. I wish I had some money to get to you, but I can't get into my pockets right now on this bike. We'll probably give them some on my way back. It's freaking hot. How's it going, man? Pretty good. So guys, I gotta find me a spot, set up camp. Not even that crowded today. Usually all this would be taken up. This is surprising to me. Maybe everybody went back to work. It's Friday. There's not too many people here today. So I guess that's kind of a good thing. Denny's Tacos. Okay. Big ass RV. Hold on, buddy. I want to try that paddleboard. They be making it look so simple, but as I learned, stuff that they make look so simple is not that simple. Like golfing and what else? You guys know what I mean. I can't think of nothing else off the top of my dome right now, but yeah. Like that snowboarding, not snowboarding, yeah, even snowboarding, they make that look simple. That's not freaking simple, but I got the hang of it eventually. But shit, I wasn't no Sean White or nothing, I'll tell you that much. Santa Monica. This bike. Get in your bike lane, homie. Hey, goals. Damn, everybody got these little scooters out here. Maybe that I do. I'll pull over and get one of these damn scooters. Alright, he doing at least 20 on that bike. I should have ran the light with him. Oh Lord, have mercy. Alright guys, we made it to the famous Santa Monica Beach. So now I need to find me a spot to hang out. This is freaking hot. I can't wait to take all this stuff off.
When we say make some noise, y'all make some noise. Everybody make some noise! Don't move. Everyone's coming. Don't move. Don't move. We got Chase. Watch him, y'all. Bam! Knock the hat off. He good. He's still alive. All right, here we go. Hey, make some noise. It's not easy. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
The Chiefs just went over 200 yards. Offense for the game.
Calm down for the relax. Place the gun down and the rules are set. 1, 2, 3. Alright, back. Please come with me.
Lit.
Not like the rest, yeah, I'm mobbing in this bitch, yeah, I'm robbing in this bitch, yeah, my folks told us this, yeah, we let the chopper rip, yeah, we let the chopper flow, 50 shots to your throat, wear a mask so you don't know, throw the gun, case closed, yeah, I'm mobbing in this bitch, yeah, I'm robbing in this bitch, yeah, my folks told us this, yeah, we let the chopper rip, yeah, we let the chopper flow, 50 shots to your throat, wear a mask so you don't know, throw the gun, case closed, bitch. I go by name, you know, so drippy. Seriously. Thank you, everybody. But thank you for this doing. You can find my Instagram at Eli got sold out drippy. Appreciate you, Venice Beach. I go by name Eli so drippy. Gang. Say it one more time, man.
81. Oh damn! I dropped my fork. Appreciate it. Fuck this shit up.
Excuse my hat here.
At the 2-minute warning with a 53-yard attempt to win it on the other side.
Watching the game. Pressure. No straw.
Why did I bring back those spicy chicken strips? Is it the juicy 100% all-white meat? Or because you can spice them up?
You tried to smash on me in the charger. Alright, as y'all can see, you know, I got my lights on. You see it changed colors all the way around on both sides. You know, I like it because it's not too much, so I think the police might let me slide. I don't know if this is legal or a little legal, but I usually just ride with it blue. I don't have it switching. I'm just having it switching right now to show y'all the colors. But yeah, I like it. I think I did a good job. I did this myself, surprised myself with it, you know. It was a cool little thing, you know. I just, you know, brought my bike in the house and was bored, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna put some lights on my bike. And, you know, gotta say I like it. I like the outcome. But anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure y'all subscribe, leave a like and a comment. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
I get the bag, 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 I get the bag.